Right, here we go boys, let's see if we can get the new bit on. That's all it is. So, look at that, hold on. It's a wee bit close. Right. That's how it's in. There the wire. Doesn't look too difficult. We'll fucking see. That was a bit of a fight, but the unit itself isn't coming off. But I got the shaft out, which was supposedly a harder job. I need to clean inside there and get a good greasing. I freed it off anyway, so here's hoping boys. Right boys, after a good bit of struggling, fucking got it in and freed it off, greased it up, and hopefully fucking thing will just hold in place. We shall see. We shall see. No, not too much fucking hope for it. Let's try it out. Do we have success, boys? Do we have success? Do we have fucking success? Indeed we fucking do. I didn't need the part after all. Fucking success.